Here first we will discuss the features of 3D object cone, and then we will learn how to draw the net of a given cone. From there we will learn how to find the volume and surface area of a cone, and using the formula of finding volume and surface area of cone we will practice a number of examples. Here we will learn how to find the volume and surface area of 3D object cone. Cone got a circular base, and there is a peak point which is called apex, and a curved surface. This is a curved surface around this circular base. So now if we consider cone's cross sections at different places across the heights are different. That means cone is not a regular object, it's an irregular solid. Cone is a irregular solid. So the formulas applicable for regular solids will not be applicable for cone. So let us see how we can find its surface area, total surface area, as well as the volume. So cone got two surface. One is this circular base, which is this one with radius r. So this circular base, its area is pi r square, because it's a circle, it's a circular base, so it's a circle, radius r, so its area will be pi r square. And another face, curved face, is this one around this circular face. Here from apex to the base center, this distance is called height. This is the height of the cone, and from apex, that is the top point, to one edge of the circular base, this length is called the slant length, L, slant length. Now if we cut this circular face of cone across this one straight line, one of the slant length, and unfold it, then this point will remain this point, and this slant length, this point will become here, and this total circle, its circumference will unwrap in both sides. Say from here, this is the slant length, this is the slant length, this is apex, this is apex, this point is at the circular base, this point is at the circular base, and if we unfold this total circular circumference in both sides with respect to this point, then it will be unravel in this way. So basically we will be getting this circular face, this curved face will become a triangle. So that means this curved face is a triangular curved face. So this is a triangular curved face. So this triangular curved face height, this height will be L, and this arm length will be the total circumference of the circular base, which is 2 pi r, because if it is a circle, then its total circumference is 2 pi r. So this curved triangular face is a triangle with base, one arm is 2 pi r, and the length is equals to the slant length L. So this one's area will be, we know the triangle area is half times base, which is 2 pi r, and height is L. So if 2 cancel, we will have pi r L. So cone got two faces, one is circular face, one is triangular curved face. Circular face's area is pi r square, and this triangular curved face's area is pi r L. So the total surface area for a cone will be this plus this. So it will be pi r square plus pi r L. If we take pi and r common, we will be getting pi r, here we will be getting r, here we will be getting L, so r plus L. So the total surface area formula we will remember is pi r plus L, where r is the radius and L is the slant length. but most commonly cone is represented by its radius and height. So we will convert this formula. In place of L, we will get a H relation. So we will represent this L using this H and R. So for that reason, if we consider this triangle, this is the radius on the base, and this is the height which is perpendicular on the base, and this is the slant length. So if we separate this triangle here, this is the radius, and from apex this is the height, and this is the slant length L. This angle is right angle. So if we use Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, we will get Pythagoras. According to Pythagoras theorem, this hypotenuse square, that is L square, equals these two arms square, that is AC square plus R square. So this relation will be very useful. If we are given R and H, we can find L. If we are given L and R, we can find H. And if we are given H and R, we can find L. So from here we can write L equals square root of H square plus R square. So another form of this formula will be TSA, that is total surface area, will be pi R plus, in place of L we can use square root of H square plus R square as well. So this is the total surface area. Among them, we also need to remember that this circular face area is pi R square, and this curved triangular face, its area is pi RL. Now the volume. Since cone is an irregular object or irregular solid, its volume will not be directly this base area times height, because it is not going, its cross sections are reducing gradually. So the volume of cone can be calculated as volume of cone is 1/3 of its base area and height. That means, since its cross sections are gradually increasing, it can be calculated that the volume of a cone is its base area, which is pi R square, and its height is H. So 1/3 of. So 1/3 of base area and height. So it will be 1/3 of base area is pi R square and height is H. So the volume formula will be 1/3 pi R square H, and total surface area will be pi R plus L, or instead of L we can find L as square root of H square plus R square.